make sure that whatever videos that you're putting out there, make sure they're target specific. If you're posting a bunch of videos, but they're not relevant to your target audience, which you want to target, then it's going to be a waste of time. And you want to make sure that you get content specific on your target audience and create content around that target niche in which it's the kind of content that they like. It's the kind of content that they want. It's the kind of content that they're searching for. And how do you increase your YouTube income? Well, there's a lot of people that do Patreon and all these other different things, like doing a partnership through YouTube. But here's the thing, like for my YouTube channel, I don't do any of that. I don't have a Patreon account. I don't do a partnership through YouTube in which I monetize my own YouTube videos. Now, for some people, they do that stuff. But really, if you get target specific on your niche, you do your keyword research right, and you stay consistent in posting video content on a daily basis, and you do that over a long period of time, you're going to be able to not only build up your subscriber base, but if you're selling a product or service, then what you can do for each video that you create is you can put a link to those products or services that you have to offer. You can easily do that without having to go through creating a Patreon account or getting monetized by YouTube themselves. So you can absolutely do that. You don't need to have to go through all these hoops and loops. All you really need to do is just consistently post video content on a daily basis. Make sure they speak to the target audience which you want to target, and you got to make sure that you master doing your keyword research, because without the proper keyword research on your videos, they're likely not going to be found. And I can tell you that from my own experience doing YouTube videos. Get good with your keyword research, get good with consistently posting videos on your YouTube channel, and make sure they're target specific to your audience.